How to clear clipboard on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete whatever text has been copied on your clipboard on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as a quick example, I'm going to open up the Notes app. And if you copy anything on an iPhone, you'll then be able to paste it, and that item or whatever that text is has been saved to your clipboard. So I can paste it as many times as I want to. Now, if you want to clear your clipboard or delete whatever is in your clipboard, we can easily do that by first going to your app library, swiping from right to left, then just in the app library, select the top and search shortcuts. Open up shortcuts, it'll look like that. Now, once the shortcuts open up, go to gallery in the bottom menu, and then just search clipboard. Once you search that, scroll down, and we're looking for adjust clipboard. Select the plus symbol next to that, and then now go to shortcuts in the bottom menu and select adjust clipboard. So give it a second, it'll open up the clipboard on your iPhone. And now all you need to do is delete whatever's in there. You can change it if you want to as well, and select done. You may have to give it access to your clipboard, so select allow. And now when I go back and I try to paste, as you can see, nothing is being pasted because my clipboard has been cleared. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.